Alright, looks like my battery's about dead, so I'm going to make this quick. I'm ordering a Zippo offline. Let's try to pan it in here. Sorry for all the shakiness. It's a lighter there. I'm going to order it right now while you guys are watching, if my camera does not die. Oop, oh well. Oop, stop. It's another one I was looking at. Let's see. Figures I'm trying to get in a hurry. Alright, let's go back. Alright, buy it now. Try this again. Commit to buy. Good, you guys can't see the keyboard. Pay now, $16.95 and $2.50 shipping. Paying with PayPal. $19.45. Let's see if you guys can see the screen. And order has been placed. And that's it. And of course you got the advertising thing. So I just ordered it, and I'm going to use that one. I'm going to open it up and use it and switch it with the one I carry now. So thanks for watching. Take care.